In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change eye color in Photopea. We'll keep this simple and effective, using a clean selection and a single adjustment to shift the color of the iris while keeping the rest of the photo looking natural. Start by opening your image in Photopea. You can drag and drop your photo into the workspace or use the File menu to open it. Give yourself a moment to look closely at the eyes and think about the result you want. Subtle enhancements tend to look more realistic than dramatic. Neon changes. Next, choose the lasso tool from the toolbar on the left. If you don't see it immediately, it's grouped with the other selection tools. Zoom in so the eye fills a good portion of your screen. This helps you trace more precisely. With the lasso tool active, carefully outline just the colored part of the eye, the iris, avoiding the pupil in the center, the white of the eye, and any bright catch lights. If you accidentally include them, your color shift might tint those areas too, which can look unnatural. Use a steady hand and don't worry if it's not perfect on the first try. You can hold Shift to add to your selection or Alt Option to subtract from it as you refine the edges. A small feather in the tool options, around 1 to 2 pixels for high-resolution images, will softly blend the adjustment into the surrounding area and prevent harsh edges or halos. Take your time to get a clean, accurate outline. If you're working on both eyes, you can repeat the same selection process for the other iris afterward. With the iris selected, go to Image, then Adjustments, and choose Hue and Saturation. This brings up the panel where the color change happens. If the eye is already colorful, you can simply move the hue slider left or right to rotate the existing color to a new one. For brown or darker eyes, clicking the Colorize checkbox can help apply a clear tint. After that, fine-tune with saturation to control intensity and lightness to brighten or darken the iris slightly. A little goes a long way here. Overly saturated, glowing eyes tend to look fake. Keep an eye on the preview as you adjust. Aim for natural contrast so the pupil stays dark, the ring around the iris remains defined, and the whites of the eyes aren't affected. If something looks off, cancel and refine your selection, then reopen Hue/Saturation and try again. Once you're happy with the color shift, you're done. Clean, convincing eye color in just a few steps.